Did you know the effectiveness of toothbrushing is less than 50% on average? Which is why we are here to introduce the Heisr 3-sided wraparound electric toothbrush. Wrapping around your teeth, Heisr cleans the inner and outer surfaces of every tooth, your alveoli, and even the gaps between all the teeth all at once. Consisting of 14 parts, the brush head provides sonic and mechanical vibration. It cleans up even the most hard-to-reach plaque with 27,000 stroke sonic vibrations per minute. Following the bass brushing technique, our brush bristle design is positioned at a 30-degree angle so it can easily reach gum lines and gaps between teeth. Expandable on all 3 sides, our brush head can adjust itself to fit teeth of varied thickness while rotating freely along the teeth. Heisr, the world's first 3-sided wraparound electric toothbrush.